climate, it's all happening, you know. Things are happening from time to time. Economies are falling. Banks are going bankrupt. I don't know what to say these days, other than glasses are flying. People are going crazy. They're losing jobs. Hand over fist, money's going out. Who's responsible, I ask? Why are they ruining our lives like this? They want us to pay taxes. Oh, they pay taxes. This is not acceptable. I just can't believe this is happening to us in today's environment. Politicians run around like they own the country. Who are they to say who they are? I suppose we've left them there, but sure, that's neither here nor there. Let's move on to something a little more interesting. Because let's be honest, who wants to talk about politicians? They're all a big load of dogs in manure, I'm going to say, because it sounds good and because I can't think of anything exactly to say at that particular point. So, did you enjoy that new film that I had? That Borat film? It might be good now, so it might be worth an hour view. I haven't seen it myself, but it's got some interesting reviews. Like, they say it's good, and it's kind of getting you now dig in at the old Americans and the way they carry on. But I don't know, because I haven't seen it. I can't really make any judgment, so I don't know why you asked me the question about that in your letter, Mr. Jimmy, you lost the letter again, for heck's sake! Sorry, one of our guys, he's getting fired today. Jimmy, he lost the letter that said, "Dear Mr. Frankovich, why in this climate is Borat? Why is Borat? Why is Borat here?" Well, he's here to help us all in this crazy climate, but as I said, it's a good film. Haven't seen it yet, just hearing from some people. I was meant to go and see it, but it never quite worked out the way it did. So to finish off today, I think we should all just get down on our knees, hunker down, and do an old break dance out of it.